Hey guys, it's Chuck Bird here. I have just arrived in London a couple of days ago, but I'm making this video because the first episode of G4p TV Games Center is here, and I'll give you my honest opinion about the video. So, the episode starts off with an intro, which is similar to my former gaming series, Chuck Bird Plays, and the intro was good, but somehow it got copyrighted. I don't know why, but anyway, back with the review. So, the first game that Robert Nelson, the guy who used to read questions on Chuckcast, played 3 games in the episode, which one of them was Shovelware's Brain Game, the game I used to play all the time. There were a couple of Fujitsu randomness moments, to which I laughed.
Not only that, but there was also Wanda and the Alien, one of my least favorite shows. I can't believe that they showed up in this video.
Sorry about that, I was just angry because of Wanda and the Alien, but let's get back to the review. So, Robert Nelson didn't win the game, and he even said that he should sue Shovelware Studios. I don't know why would he do that, but still, the second game was Natural Disaster Survival, another game I used to play. After Robert joined the game, he fell out, and that was funny. The first disaster was a thunderstorm, which Robert didn't survive. The second and last disaster was an avalanche, which Robert didn't survive as well. The last game played in the episode was a game called Better Meme, which is basically pick a side, but with memes. You can also fight in this game as well. Robert played 5 times, which he won 3 times, but lost the other 2 times. This game looks good for me. Maybe Brian or I will play this game soon, just like what Robert Nelson did. But my overall review, this episode was good for a first episode, but for me, it won't beat the first Chuck Bird Plays, or like it was back then called Yellow Bird Plays episode. The episode gets an 8 out of 10 for me. So yeah, that's my honest review about the first G4p TV Games Center episode. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash a like and hit the subscribe button, so you won't miss any new videos. So, this is Chuck Bird, signing off. Goodbye.
This video is part of G4p TV's Super Saturdays. Super Saturdays, the perfect way to kick off the weekend.